Hello and welcome to the Enlightened Civil Service Academy. Let's start with our daily news analysis of the Assam Tribune of 22nd May 2021. In the first news about the MiG-21 crash, an Indian Air Force MiG-21 Viscon aircraft crashed during the heavy rainfall in Punjab, killing its pilot Abhinav Chaudhary. Since 1963, India has introduced more than 1,200 MiG fighter into its air force. As of 2019, 113 MiG-21s are known to be in operation in the Indian Air Force. However, the plane has been plagued by safety problems. Since 1970, more than 170 Indian pilots and 40 civilians have been killed in MiG-21 accidents. The MiG-21 is imported from Soviet Union, now Russia, by India. Padma Bhushan awardee Sundarlal Bahuguna died. Renowned environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna, who pioneered the Chipko movement, died of COVID-19 at AIIMS Rishikesh at the age of 94 years. The Chipko movement or Chipko Andolan was a forest conservation movement in India. It began in 1973 in Uttarakhand, then it is a part of Uttar Pradesh and went on to become a rallying point for many future environmental movements all over the world. The meaning of Chipko, the word Chipko is the Hindi word. Its meaning in English is embrace. The people embrace those trees and protecting them from cutting down during that moment. The next news is new Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Biswajit Doimari, unanimously elected the Speaker of 15 Assam Legislative Assembly. He is the MLA from Paneri constituency. And in the Article 178 of Indian Constitution deal with the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Israel-Palestine conflict come to end. Palestine rallied by the thousand on Friday after a ceasefire took place in the latest Gaza war. The 11-day war left more than 200 dead and brought widespread devastation to the already impoverished Islamic militant Hamas-ruled Gaza Strip. As per the source, Israel's strike killed more than 200 militants and hit more than 100 kilometers of militant tunnel. The conflict began from the clashes broke out between Palestine protesters and Israeli police force at Alaska Mosque compound at Jerusalem. Now we come to the next news. Tension along the Indo-China border. Army Chief M.M. Naravane reviewed the situation along the Indo-China border at Arunachal Pradesh as China developing Indo-Tibetan border villages. India-China border dispute cover about 3,488 km long line of actual control, of which 1,126 km is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Now we come to the editorial page. In this article, the author is welcoming the secession that has been occurred in latest Palestine and Israel conflict. That is, with the help of Egypt, Israel has declared ceasefire against this war. The 11-day war between the Israel and Hamas group in Gaza of divided Palestine region has come to an end after the ceasefire brokered by Egypt. The genesis of violence started for a property dispute in the city of Sheikh Jarrah. This is the city of Sheikh Jarrah, east of Jerusalem. It's located in the east of Jerusalem. This is your Palestine, that is West Bank, and this is the Gaza Strip, Hamas from Gaza Strip, and these are the Israel, and here is the Jerusalem. Jerusalem is under international law, and it is controlled by the United Nations. That is the genesis of the violence started for a property dispute of the city of Sheikh Jarrah, which is located east of the Jerusalem. when Israeli threatened to evict some of the Palestinian family who had been living there for years. That means there is a Israeli court recently has been ruled ruled out a verdict that those properties were belong to the Jewish people, so they have to vacate, and the Muslim have to vacate those property. Before the independence of Israel in 1948, these properties these properties 1940 these properties of Sheikh Jarrah are belong to the Israeli Jewish people who have the valid legal document. But after the independence in 1948, the that's 1948, that after the war of independence, the Sheikh Jarrah gone under the control of Jordan, and Jewish people who live in Sheikh Jarrah left their home towards left their home and gone towards Israel territory. After the partition, the Muslims who live in Israel region came to the Sheikh Jarrah and started living there. The Muslims who are living in Israeli region, they come to the Sheikh Jarrah and they started living there. And the Jewish people who live in Sheikh Jarrah after when the in 1948 the Sheikh Jarrah was gone under the Jordan gone under the Jordan government. Then the Israeli people come towards Israel, leaving their houses, and now the Muslim people who live in the Israel region, they gone to the Sheikh Jarrah. After the and in 1967, after the Six-Day War, the Sheikh Jarrah region, that is located in East Jerusalem, came under Israel again, and the Jewish people started demanding the property. Recently, Court of Israel also gave a verdict in favor of the Jewish people and ordered Muslim families to vacate this property. In the other hand, according to the Palestinian people, Palestine, the Jerusalem is came under UNO. Therefore, Israel court verdict is not applicable to it. This led to a direct conflict between the Palestinian protester and Israeli police force at Alaska mosques. I want to say one thing. In this article, was one mentioned that Jerusalem is important for three religions. It's a holy place for three religions. That is for Judaism. There is a temple that is called Holy Temple, that is called Second Temple, and for Christian because in because Bethlehem, that is nearby the Jerusalem, and where the Jesus Christ was born. And for Muslim, their third holy place, that is Alaska Mosque, is located, is also in Jerusalem. And therefore, in Alaska Mosque, after the prayer, Friday prayer, there, the tension is conflict. Conflict is started between the Palestinian protester and Israeli police force. And Israeli police force entered during this protests and conflict. The Israeli police force entered the mosque and developed the full hostility, which claimed more than 240 lives, including 29 children. And when and Hamas group who rule over the Gaza Strip, it started striking with rocket. In the starting of the conflict, the Muslim militant group Hamas, which rule over this Gaza Strip, started firing rockets towards the Israel territory and making casualty of 12 people. In retaliation, Israel made airstrike and devastated the Gaza, taking lives of 240 people. Reflected one-sided nature of the conflict, according to the author. This conflict, but according to the author mentioned in this article that this conflict benefited a handful of players rather than the people of Palestine and Israel. One big winner was Benjamin Netanyahu, who is the Prime Minister of Israel, because was Benjamin Netanyahu, who being charged with the corruption and had under a great pressure to resign. His strong handling of the conflict appeared to have boosted his image before the Israeli public. On the other hand, Hamas too has emerged as winner due to the ceasefire and bring the image among the Palestinians as in the recent year. Fatah rule, Fatah rule Palestine's Fatah rule Palestinian National Authority, that is PLO, which rule over this West Bank, and supplanting Hamas rule at Gaza as the true representative of Palestine. Therefore, the benefit has been gone to the Prime Minister of Benjamin Netanyahu and Hamas group because their image has been grown up. Uh, but finally, the author trying to conclude that the sober truth is that there is an urgent need of install peace under the UN. The writer is trying to say is that UN intervention is much needed for the complete, for a complete peace over this region and to attain the permanent settlement and around the region, uh, you know around this region, that means Palestine and Israel. So thank you. If you like the video, please, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.